I'll share with you how you can find a TESDA accredited assessment center near your location. This site, tesda.gov.ph/assessment centers. Here's how it looks like. If you have a specific center name in mind, you may search that right here. But let's say hindi ko talaga alam kung saan yung assessment center. So dito sa qualification, let's find caregiving, for example. Pero may mga ibang ano dito. Basically, all of the TESDA courses are available here. So hanapin nyo na lang yung sa inyo. So let's say caregiving, NC2. So my clients with special needs, elderly, yung sa akin kasi NC2 lang. Kasi yung focus ng caregiving ko encompasses or pasok yung special needs, elderly, tsaka yung mga bata. So, kaya siguro ganyan. Hindi siya specific. So, click ko na lang yan. And then, dito sa region, hanapan ko yung sa akin. Region 11. And then, click on the province. I'm here sa Davao del Sur. Then, click on search. And now, you'll see here, all of the available assessment center for caregiving NC2 in my location. So, kunwari, ganito. Human health, healthcare, dito sa Philippine College of Technology or PCT. Prime Aid naman, meron din sa kanila. Tecaro. Once you were able to find kung saan yung gusto nyo, just click on the details right here. And then you'll find here their telephone number, email address, if you wanna contact them first via phone. Tapos ito yung manager nila. And then the region and province. I think this list is incomplete because yung assessment center ko is called Park Lane West and it's not showing up here. But that's basically it. That's how you can find an assessment center near your location. Especially for those students na nag-take ng TESDA online program courses. This is how you can find an assessment center para makakuha ka ng NC2. In my case kasi, I studied sa isang private school na TESDA accredited. Tapos sila na yung nag-arrange ng assessment to the assessment center kung saan sila nakakonect or kung saan sila connected. So kami, nag-submit na lang kami ng requirements para makapag-assess kami. We just gave them the payment. Tapos basically, sila na yung nag-apply for us and then we went to the assessment center on the date of our assessment na. So again, if you took your caregiving course online, this is how you can find an assessment center. First thing you have to do is to contact the assessment center para makapagpa-schedule kayo and they will give you a form for you to fill out and they will give you a list of requirements that you have to provide them. So that's all. Hope this helps.